In our Brand Strategy Masterclass at Financial Brand Forum, we helped banks and credit unions discover their brand archetypes and lay the foundation for an authentic vision and voice for their brand. Carl Jung defined these universal symbols or patterns to represent distinct aspects of identity that play an important role in influencing human behavior. For brands, an archetype helps define personality, how they show up and express themselves in the world. Archetypal mapping is the gold standard for how not only financial brands, but blue chip consumer brands hone in on their unique personality. In our brand strategy exercises, we help financial brands discover their archetypes by having leadership hold up a mirror and asking them to define who they are versus who they want to be. Are they responsible or spontaneous? Empathetic or courageous? Traditional or rule breaking? By selecting attributes that most define their organization, we're able to categorize their attributes under the appropriate archetype. Whether it's the hero who's determined to make a difference, the explorer who's imaginative, the caregiver who's compassionate, or the sage who's knowledgeable. Every brand can use archetypes to evoke a feeling about the brand and create deeper, more fundamental human connections with customers.